Snails, nature's survival experts. A snail can hibernate for up to 3 years, transforming into a tiny survival expert during harsh times. Imagine this small creature in your backyard curling up and hitting the snooze button on life to outlast droughts and food shortages. This isn't your average nap. It's a full-on survival strategy that lets snails pause their life processes, conserving energy until the world outside becomes friendly again. A garden snail will create mucus-like slime as it travels, and using its single long foot, they can even climb up walls on this slime. The average garden snail has a whopping 14,000 teeth. Cooked snails are a food delicacy known as escargot. The world's smallest land snail, known as Angustopila dominicae, could fit through the eye of a needle. The largest snail, known as African giant snail, measured 39.3 centimeters from snout to tail when fully extended, with a shell length of 27.3 centimeters. Who knew such a slow-moving creature could teach us so much about resilience and adaptability?